Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, unseasonably cool temperatures and rain and higher elevation snow will continue over the northwest. Second, severe thunderstorms and flash flooding are possible in the northern plains today. Third, flash flooding is expected over portions of the middle Mississippi Valley to the Ohio-Tennessee valleys. Fourth, fire danger is forecast for southwestern and south-central parts of the country. And finally, another round of Saharan dust should affect the western central Gulf Coast. Intense thunderstorms pose a risk for severe wind gusts, hail, and flash flooding in the northern plains. Heavy thunderstorm rain may produce localized flash flooding today from the mid-Mississippi Valley to the lower Ohio Valley. Fire danger will persist over the Four Corners states to the southern high plains. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. A deep upper-level low is forecast to spin over the northwest U.S. over the next couple of days. Underneath this low, unseasonably cool to cold temperatures are forecast to continue today from the Rockies westward, with highs as much as 15 to 30 degrees below normal over the Great Basin and northern central Rockies. Additional precipitation is expected over the northwest as well, with locally over an inch of rain possible. Given the cold temperatures, snow is also forecast to continue in higher elevations of the northern Rockies, with a few additional inches possible. Ahead of the trough, conditions will be favorable for thunderstorms in the northern plains as a front moves across. A slight risk of severe weather is in place, while flash flooding is also a threat with rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches forecast. Another lingering frontal boundary, and then a front forming to its south will also provide focuses for heavy rain and flash flooding across portions of the Mississippi, Ohio, and Tennessee valleys today and Wednesday. Meanwhile, rain and some thunderstorms along with cool temperatures are expected to linger across the northeast through midweek as another upper-level low lingers over the region. Dry conditions in the southwestern quadrant of the U.S. along with gusty winds will lead to fire danger. A critical risk of fire weather is outlooked today from portions of the southwest to southern high plains. Then on Wednesday, as the southern edge of the western trough lifts northward, a critical risk is in place farther west over portions of the central Great Basin. While the highest concentration of Saharan dust has abated, another round is expected to impact the western and central Gulf Coast states today and persist into later in the week. The main impacts of the Saharan dust will be hazy skies during the day, locally reduced visibility, degraded air quality, but with potentially colorful sunrises and sunsets. Ahead of the trough and cool temperatures in the west, the plains to Midwest should see above normal temperatures. Heat advisories are in effect for parts of the southern and central plains. Warm temperatures in Florida could lead to a few additional record highs today. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our weather information is derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our outlook uses AI technology developed by Extreme Weather, and our audio broadcast is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group. Have a wonderful Tuesday. And please stay weather aware.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this extreme weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.